Hello students, myself Dr. Harpreet Kaur, Assistant Professor in Botany and overall in charge Extension Activities Committee, welcome you all in Diksharam Student Induction Program. We entered in a third day of this orientation program. I will give you some introductory points about various cells, societies and committees under Extension Activities Committee. The vision of the committee is which Dunya save kamaiye ta dargah besan paiye. Means in the midst of this world do seva and you shall be given a place of honor in the court of the Lord. Mission of the committee is to imbue means to impart the sense of social responsibility among the students and to prepare them to strengthen the society ethically and economically, taking a philanthropic and legal approach. Extension means enlargement, prolongation, additional part, etc. A committee reaches the wider community by extending their helping hands beyond the walls of the institution. So we work at two levels by imparting the extension education to the student volunteers and extending their services to the community at the grassroots level. Objectives of the committee to establish the necessary linkage with the community, to disseminate the knowledge in different segments of the population, and to cater the needs of all sections of society, especially the needs of the underprivileged section, and to sensitize the faculty and the students about the needs and the problems of the community. Extension Activity Committee composed of 9 different cells and clubs. First of all, NSS National Service Scheme. Its motive is not me but you. Its program officers are Dr. Rupinder Pal Kaur, Assistant Professor in Computer Science, Dr. Amanpreet Gill, Assistant Professor in Punjabi. In the college, we have 2 units of NSSS in which 50 volunteers per unit and 5 volunteers we take from outside the campus. Every year, we conduct several one-day programs, camps, and we celebrate important days to motivate the students. Along with that, we organize 7 days special NSS camp in which volunteers carried out various activities to serve the people. Additionally, donations to different foundations for the welfare of the community is made by NSS unit of our college. These are some glimpses of the activities performed by NSS unit like Yoga Day celebration, tree plantation program, blood donation camp and rallies for the environment protection. Unnat Bharat Abhiyan Cell is coordinated by Dr. Navneet Sani, Assistant Professor in Sociology. In this cell, we have adopted 5 villages, Harike Kala, Lakhewali, Buda Gujjar, Kotli Devan and Kotli Sanghar. In this cell, we have organized baseline surveys and we try to find out the problems of the villages and to make the connections with the people of rural India to recognize various development challenges. We organize awareness programs and tree plantation drives in this cell. These are some pictures of the seminars and extension programs and free health checkup camp that was organized in the village, tree plantation drives. Internal Complaint Committee, that is also known as the Women Anti-Harassment Cell. Its in charge is Ms. Kiran Deesh Kaur, Assistant Professor in Chemistry. Under this committee, we conduct various seminars, special lectures and awareness programs to spread knowledge about basic legal rights and remedies provided under various women-related laws, and also to sensitize men about rights of women. Apart from that, various specific facilities are provided by the college for the safety of the girls like installation of the CCTV cameras, common room facility, and guidance and counseling for the students. These are some extension lectures and awareness programs are conducted by the Women Anti-Harassment Cell. Eco and Go Green Club is led by Dr. Sukhvinder Kaur, Assistant Professor in Geology. This club spread awareness among students and society for environmental protection and for the use of eco-friendly products in their day-to-day life. They conduct rallies and awareness programs to keep surroundings green and clean by undertaking plantation of trees. The volunteers of the club prepare organic manure from solid waste. They also running program wastewater recycling, and last year they performed the green audit of the college. These are some pictures of the activities performed by the Eco and Go Green Club, as last year they established the Guru Nanak Bagichi and run several awareness campaigns for the tree plantation. Red Ribbon Club. Its nodal officer is Miss Shweta Dargan, Assistant Professor in Computer Science. In this club, they spread awareness among the faculty and the students about various infectious diseases. They conduct blood testing camps and blood donation camps, and also they celebrate various events or days like AIDS Day, Cancer Day, etc. to spread awareness among the students and community. They conduct various rallies and awareness programs for the spread of the awareness regarding these diseases. These pictures are shown of the blood testing camp and rallies. NCC. Miss Kamaljeet Kaur is the ANO and Assistant Professor in Mathematics. The main aim of the NCC of this college is to develop character, discipline, leadership, secular outlook, spirit of adventure, and ideals of selfless service among students of this region. Total strength of this unit is 108 cadets, and many cadets from NCC have participated in Republic Day Parade at New Delhi, PM Rally, Thal Sena Camp, Army Attachment Camp, Annual Training Camp, and Shooting Camp. Legal Literacy Club. Its in charge is Miss Kiran Dishkar, Assistant Professor in Chemistry. This club's motive is to aware the students about their legal rights, to spread legal literacy and awareness in neighborhood. They also identify and facilitate persons in our neighborhood who deserve legal aid or assistance. They conduct various rallies and road shows to spread awareness among community. Every year, various activities have been conducted such as debates, declamation, poetry, skits, essay writing, slogan writing on various issues of socio-legal relevance. Red Cross Society. It is led by Dr. Navneet Saini, Assistant Professor in Sociology. The Society's mission is to provide relief in times of disasters or emergencies and to promote health and care of vulnerable people and communities. This society made various collections for the Red Cross Flag Share and for the Youth Red Cross Share. We also celebrate Communal Harmony Day in November to made various collections for the welfare of the community. Gurmat Sabha Cell is headed by Dr. Sukhvinder Singh, Assistant Professor in Punjabi. Every year, a test is conducted by this cell to spread awareness about Gurmat studies among students. Awareness programs and campaigns are also conducted to spread awareness about religion. Apart Apart from the activities performed by various cells and societies of Extension Activities Committee, we have also established a cloth bank in our college. We motivate our faculty and students to donate clothes in the cloth bank, and further these are distributed to the needy people and to the people of slum area. We also made various donations in collaboration with different departments of the college. Overall, this committee is headed by Dr. Harpreet Kaur, Assistant Professor in Botany. For further information, you can visit our college website that is given below. And also, we have a YouTube channel of extension activities. You can follow and subscribe us on this channel. We also have an Instagram account. You can follow us on the same. Thank you so much, students. Stay safe, stay happy. Once again, I welcome you all in this college. Thank you so much.